What are you doing?
Hey,
Hey.
I'm shipping out this Knucklehead cylinder.
Oh,
We got it saran wrapped already.
looks good.
Yeah, yep. And we're gonna put it in this 10 by 9 by 8 box. And then of course we're gonna double box it, because that's how you do it. And first we gotta tape the shit out of this box and get it packed up tight in here. All right, we got ourselves a nice bed here for this cylinder. We're gonna lay it in here, nice on that bed. We got a little bit of clearance on top there. We're gonna grab some more of this crinkle paper here. You rip it. I'm gonna stuff it around here nice and tight. There's one. Get another rip of it. All right, we're getting in there nice and tight. And you gotta just keep on doing that until we get it to the top. You gotta put this in here tight. Don't just grab a piece of paper and throw it in there. That does absolutely nothing. It drives me crazy when I see that. You gotta wad it up and put it in there tight. See how that's nice and tight? That cylinder ain't gonna go nowhere. And we're gonna keep on putting paper in there until this is so tough you can't hardly shut it. We got our pile of paper in here. Everything's tight. Little taping, nice and tight. Little taping. We'll tape up this box a little bit. Then we're gonna put this box in a second box. All right, part 2 of shipping a Knucklehead cylinder or any motorcycle cylinder. This is a single cylinder. We got it in this 10 by 9 by 8. We're putting that box inside the 1611 by 10, double box it, because I just don't trust a single box and all those precious fins from the 1940s. We got a nice bed of craft paper down there, craft paper, crinkle paper. We're gonna put that down in there. Pretty good fit. Gonna grab some more paper. See if this thing can mess up on me during video time. Sometimes you'll have technical difficulties. Put a little paper around there. Go all the way to the bottom. Put a little paper over here. Go all the way to the bottom. All right. Paper on the sides, around the corner. There's no such thing as overkill. If this part's lost or broken, there's no replacing it. All right, we got this craft paper stacked up here tight. Everything's tight around the box here. We put enough on top here to where the compression is going to be about all the box can handle. Tuck that in there, tuck that in there. All that. Push it all in there, make it all nice and even. Get a little tape there. Oh yeah, tap it into place. Nice and straight. All right, so we got the ends. We just gotta start taping her. We're gonna do a few runs this way. I might use a little bit too much tape, but you know what? As expensive as tape is, it's not as expensive as the cylinder that's in this box. So, I like to do the ends like a Christmas present. Yeah, tuck them in. That way you don't get those flappy ends. And we're just gonna do that, put a little cap on it. We're gonna do the same thing to the other side. All right, we got this box all taped up. It's like a solid brick. Nothing's moving around in there. We're coming in at 13 pounds on, what was that? 1611 by 10. 13 pounds, 1611 by 10. We are shipping this out tomorrow. Going UPS ground as always. That is who I trust. We don't need any added protection because we are the protection. We skipped that. We're printing the label on the good old Rolo printer. I've been saving ink for going on 6 years with this bad boy. I freaking love it.